Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites so the phone can update without interruption. Make sure the Galaxy Grand Prime is charged to at least 60% and on a stable Wi-Fi network. This prevents slow or costly mobile downloads. Once done, back up your contacts, photos, and app settings to Google or an SD card so data is safe if anything goes wrong. Next, free up about 2 gigabytes of storage by uninstalling unused apps and clearing caches to allow the update package to download and install. Now you will fetch and apply the system update. In Settings, go to About Phone, then Software Update, tap Download and Install and let the phone check for the official package. If an update appears, tap to begin downloading. This can take 10-30 minutes depending on size and Wi-Fi speed. The installer will verify the package and prompt to restart. Do not power off during verification. The device will reboot and run the installer, so let it finish until you see the lock screen. Finish by verifying the update and restoring preferences. After boot, open Settings, right arrow About Phone to confirm the new Android version and security patch level, then re-enable any disabled apps and restore backups if apps lost data. If the phone hangs on boot or update fails, first try booting into safe mode and clearing cache from recovery. Make sure to keep a backup. If problems persist, you can reflash the official firmware using Odin on a PC. But follow.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.